This one is actually quite a hardy plant and easy to grow. In the summer it dies back, and then in the monsoon it comes back again. And then the previous years that seed, that rhizome will once again come to life, and then also it produces a lot of seeds, and then those seeds also sprout. They will be dormant for about 4 or 5 months. When the rains come, the new babies also get born. It's long lived. It becomes a nice big clump, and it's one of our Indian ginger family member. Lot of plants are born. These are all the new babies of this year. It is last year's seeds fell down, and new plants have emerged. So once you get it in, it's quite easy, and long lived. They'll continue for a long while, and then you can enjoy these flowers. This is actually in the footpath somewhere in my town. Quite a few plants are there. These are the, I think these are flower buds, seeds. So these seeds and all, they will drop down, and then the next year's babies will be born like this. So this species is called dancing girl ginger, Globba. That Globba family, quite a few are there in India.